They laughed at you. They ridiculed. They believed you'd always stick around craving their validation. But here's the reality no one talks about. A woman seldom regrets walking away until the man she left turns into someone she can't return to. This isn't about payback, it's about growth. Because the strongest way to make her regret disrespecting you is by no longer caring if she does. Today, I'll share 6 quiet strategies inspired by Stoicism that turn disrespect into motivation. And if you learn them well, you won't only earn her respect, you'll command it from everyone. 1. Exit calmly. Most guys beg, argue, or justify. They plead for her to see their side. You don't. You vanish. No bitter texts, no vague social posts, no chasing. Silence stirs curiosity. Distance creates unease. She will replay every phrase, every moment she dismissed, and your calm disappearance will echo louder than any heated reply ever could. 2. Improve in silence. While she wastes hours on shows, you're shaping your body, sharpening your mind, strengthening your income. The Stoics taught that real revenge is refusing to mirror your opponent. So you don't copy her immaturity, you rise beyond it. Half a year later, when she crosses paths with you, she doesn't just see the same person. She sees someone renewed, and that's when the regret cuts the deepest. 3. Shift your focus. Here's the hard fact. Nothing makes a woman second-guess her decision faster than witnessing you offer the attention, kindness, and energy she once had to someone else. Not as a childish tactic, but because you've truly moved on. Your world is too full to linger at a locked door. She'll ask herself, was I replaceable, or was I the mistake? 4. Stop justifying weak men talk too much, strong men demonstrate. Once you quit explaining your choices, you radiate authority. You're no longer begging for approval, you're living by your standards. The instant she notices you no longer need to be understood is the instant she begins striving to understand you. 5. Master your emotions. The most powerful quiet move is to never let her see you rattled. Staying composed when chaos erupts, keeping steady when others blow up, that is rare. Stoics knew genuine strength is self-control. And when you handle disrespect with calmness, she will realize she never valued your worth until she lost it for good. 6. Invest in purpose. The strongest signal that you've truly moved on is when your life revolves around something greater than relationships. Pour your focus into a mission, whether it's your career, your passion, or building something that lasts. Women regret losing men who don't just chase them but chase a vision. When she sees your energy going into goals bigger than her, she realizes she was never your destination, only a stop along the way, and that realization stings harder than silence ever could. In the end, these steps aren't focused on her, they're about you. When you stop chasing regret and start living so completely that regret becomes unavoidable, you win 2 times. First, because you've grown into the man you were destined to be. Second, because you've shown the oldest truth there is. Silence isn't weakness. It's the strongest message you'll ever deliver.